In this video, we will give an overview of graphical user interfaces for the iRODS data grid. This suite of tools is called iDrop. Before we look at the iDrop suite, it is important to understand iRODS. iRODS manages the data that we will be accessing through the iDrop clients. iRODS is an open source, policy managed data grid, or cloud. iRODS lets you manage distributed collections of data, maintain a metadata catalog for these distributed collections, apply management policies to this data, audit the application of policies, and federate with other data grids. For more information on iRODS itself, consult the project website at www.irods.org. We will start our tour with the iDrop web interface. This interface allows you to access your iRODS grid from any web browser. As you can see here, we are presented with a login screen, and we'll look at a demo iRODS grid running locally. After login, iDrop Web is displaying the iRODS grid as a tree. You can use the tree controls to browse the iRODS file system. Let's close the right side panel for now, and let's take a look at our iRODS collection. Here you can see my home directory and its contents. As I select a collection from the tree, you can see the center panel reflecting the current view. iDrop Web defaults to a browse view for collections, showing details of collection contents. If I select a file in the collection, I can see details for that file. Note that in the Details view, it is easy to open up a window that shows extended information for a file. The view displayed when clicking on a file or collection in the tree can be changed. For example, if I'm editing metadata for files and collections, I can set the view to metadata. Now, when I navigate the tree, I can view and update user-supplied metadata. iDrop Web allows easy upload and download of files via your browser, allowing quick access to your data wherever you are. In the Details view, we can click on a file to download. You may also select Download from the menu when viewing a file. You can also select Upload to upload files from your computer to the iRODS data grid. The web browser has some limitations for upload and download, so we have created an application called iDrop Lite. We'll show how iDrop Lite can enhance iDrop Web or your own iRODS web interface. iDrop Lite is an applet plugin for bulk upload and download of files. We can use iDrop Lite when we need to transfer a large number of files, large files, or nested collections of files. iDrop Lite seamlessly and securely integrates with the browser and provides a direct connection from your computer to the iRod's grid. Our iDrop Lite supports parallel transfer of very large files. In this demonstration, we'll select a collection of photos from our local file system. We select Bulk Upload, and iDrop Lite will start. Once we're in iDrop Lite, we can browse into our local file system select the collection we want to transfer, and begin an upload. iDrop Lite quickly uploads the files. Now we can close iDrop Lite and let's take a look at the images stored on our grid. To do this, we're going to switch to the gallery view and select our photos collection. And there you go. You can also bring files down from the grid. iDrop Lite can operate in what we call a file shopping cart mode. In this mode, I can navigate around the grid, select files that I'd like to have on my local file system, and add them to what we call this file shopping cart. Once we've selected all our files, we can open up the sidebar and look at the contents of our file shopping cart. Once our cart is ready, we can select Checkout Cart, and the iDrop Lite applet starts in bulk download mode. I simply choose a local directory, and select Begin Download. Now we can look on our local file system and see the files that iRods has just downloaded. iDrop Web has many more features that we'll cover in later videos. For now, let's leave iDrop Web and we'll talk about the iDrop desktop application.